This is your area and perimeter test for this week. We're going to find the area and then we'll find perimeters of these shapes. Make sure you write your name at the top. Number 1 says find the area of this shape. Once you've counted and found the area, write your answer right here on the line. Number 2, find the area of this shape. Now you're finding the area of the blue shape, not the area of the white. You're finding the area of the blue. So they're kind of covered up, so you have to figure out how many squares are underneath. Write your answer here on the line. Number 3, what is the length of the missing side? So I have 3 inches for this side, 9 inches for the long side, 3 inches for the short side. You need to tell me how many inches this side is, this long side right here. Write your answer on the line. And then number 4 and 5 is the same. You're finding the perimeter of both of these shapes. So the purple shape first, you have 4 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 3 feet. Write your answer for the perimeter on that line. And this one's a little bit different. We have 6 meters, 2 meters, 4 meters, 4 meters, 2 meters, and 6 meters. Find the perimeter there and write your answer on the line. That is it.